Nga po yung araw na to, I was really thinking of it like, wow, I'm gonna have a new family, a new community, new people to learn from, and new friends. So, ayun.
Jada, you're composing your own songs, diba?
Oh, yes.
So, paano? Who's gonna own your music? Is it Viva or Universal?
So it's a partnership actually. So kaya nga it's really a first eh. So kumbaga yung sa pagdating sa label stuff, like UMG is still very much involved with me, and really I feel like that's their primary focus in terms of my career, is to really lead the music side. But of course, with guidance pa din of Viva, and they're still gonna be equally as involved in that sense. But pagdating po sa acting career ko, Viva is really the one that's gonna be spearheading sa mga projects ko.
Anong meron ng Jada at pinag-aagawa?
Grabe po siya. Pero honestly, right now, I mean, I would have to defer to sila boss to answer that question. Pero all I can say is, again, I'm just really thankful of their belief in me. And, you know, I fully intend nga na I want to make them proud, and I want to do my best with whatever projects that will be given.
With regards with acting and Jada, kasi kumbaga before you are paired with a love team, ikaw ba gusto mo mas makilala ka na solo artist na pwedeng i-partner in different partner, or gusto mo lang ng love team, one love team that you want to work with?
Ako po, kasi in-acknowledge ko din po talaga kung gaano kalaki yung mga love team po dito sa bansa na to. And ako, I'm open to being part of a love team. Pero syempre po, and I think nasa same page naman kami with, you know, with the team, that of course down the line I want to be able to work with different leading men. But I wouldn't mind, like, if, you know, I was paired with someone and nag-stick siya. Of course, I would want to give the people what they want in that sense. Pero in terms of long-term plans, kung tatanungin niyo po ako, gusto ko po na just like the artists that he mentioned, like sila Tita Sharon, sila Ninang Regine, sila Ate Sara, they all got paired with different leading men, and I think that really made them bigger as artists. So yan po yung gusto ko din po para sa sarili.
Ngayon pala ang dami nang gusto mag-partner kayo ni Andres, diba? Anong masasabi mo rin? Excited sila to work na makatrabaho kayong dalawa?
Well, obviously I'm really flattered na they would think of us in that light, or, you know, they would think that we have, I know, chemistry, or we could work well together. And ako talaga, if given the opportunity, I would definitely be open to working with him. I think that would be very exciting, and lalo na we're both under Viva, and knowing Viva's expertise with their projects right now, grabe, patok na patok yung mga projects nila. I can only imagine that it would be a really amazing experience.
Namit mo na ba siya personally?
No, I actually
Not
haven't met
yet.
him yet. No, I haven't.
Jada, big career move to. Paano
Yes.
yung naging process sa mami mo? Paano mo nakwento sa kanila?
So, ano po talaga, di ba, gaya po ng sinabi ko po, like, almost 12 years ba yung sinabi? 12 years in the making from when I was 9. But yeah, so, from that time, I guess there was a certain point na we never really got to speak with Viva again, only until last year, late last year, when Boss Vic actually called for the meeting, and he expressed na, you know, it just came at a perfect time na I was also looking to expand myself again, and, you know, go back into acting. And at first, like, that was really kind of I went into the meeting with an open mind, pero when he did say that, I'm really interested in managing you in your career, and yun nga po yung, kumbaga, yung paniniwala niya po sa akin, hindi pa yung nagbabago mula noon. Nung sinabi niya po yun, it was kind of, and my parents were in that meeting as well. So, from the very beginning, aware po sila. And, you know, I think, parang unanimous na naman po yun sa aming tatlo na this is a really good career move, and it's a really good position to be in, lalo na po given that Boss Vic's, you know, interest, and you know, he's really excited to wave his magic wand in that sense. And so yun, so all of us, lahat po kami na natuwa. Of course, it was a long process of negotiations, lalo na po kasi this is a first, kasi nagpartner ang UMG and Viva. So it's a really big thing, kaya ang daming moving parts, and I want to take this opportunity, syempre magpasalamat din sa aking UMG family na po talaga, they want the best for me, and they want me to grow, which is why pumayag din sila na makipag-partner sa Viva. And syempre to Viva as well, open na makipag-partner din sa UMG. I'm just really grateful na ako po yung naging tulay po dun para sa partnership na yun.
Pero Jada, part ka ba ng Star Magic before?
Yes, I was.
Paano na yung yung deal? Partnership pa siya or?
Oh, the
totally
Star
move on?
Magic is no longer involved with me. Ever since 2023, I was fully with UMG. And then, yun nga, ever since this year.
That was your press con in Quezon City, right? Cinema 76.
Oh, so that one was with UMG still, just
Oh.
UMG. So that was for my album Sad Girl Hours. Yung partnership ko with Star Magic began in 2021. Pandemic pa yun. So naalala ko pa nga yung press con ko nun. It was on Zoom.
Yes.
Yeah, and actually I met a lot of you there. So it's just so nice na, syempre, thank you guys for being here at every step of my career. So
Pero Jada, sa career move mo, syempre may mga naiwan kang friends doon sa Star Magic.
yes.
Are you still with those
Contact
there?
with
Oh, naman po. Lalo na po yung mga nakasama ko po sa Teen Clash. Sila Gail, sila Fana. And, well, I would definitely say, what's so nice is, lalo na yung mga tao dun sa cast na yun, hindi lang po kami naging parang taping friends lang na pagkatapos ng project, parang di na talaga kami nag-usap. In that sense, I mean, obviously, busy kami sa mga kanya-kanyang mga career namin, but lalo na for Gail and Fana, di ba, parang magbarkada kami dun sa series ng Teen Clash. Parang na-carry on po namin yun sa totoong buhay, and we still find time to meet up with each other. And it's just so nice na despite being part of different management teams, we can still be friends. And, you know, that doesn't change anything pagdating sa friendship. And natutuwa din po ako na ever since nung Sunday po, nung lumabas po yung social media post, nag-DM po sila sa akin. Na parang, oh my gosh, ito na. Because like, for example, like si Gail, like I had mentioned to her na I was joining Viva. And full support sila. So, wala lang, I'm really grateful that I have a support system. Kasama po yun, like, bukod sa pamilya ko po, sa mga fans ko. Even my friends are supportive of this career move. So,
Nice.
Yes.
Jada, ayan, may phone-in question daw, yung love life mo.
my love life.
Oo,
Well,
kamusta?
sa ngayon po, I mean, masaya ang puso ko ngayon in the sense na I'm not looking for anything right now. I'm pretty dedicated to my career. I mean, regardless po, even if I have someone or not, I remain fully committed sa career ko po. Lalo na po kasi given, you know, Boss Vic's trust in me, like I definitely, ayoko pong sayangin po yun. But yeah, I'm really grateful for the people that I have in my life right now. That's really all I can say.
Malay mo, taga-Viva.
Let's see. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Just
much.
get some beer.